Hello student, today we will complete next topic of our chapter metric. Today's topic is different type of the matrix. In the last video we done the transpose of the metric. Today we will discuss about different types of the metric. The first type is conjugate metric. What is a conjugate? Conjugate meaning you already know. Conjugate means we are changing the imaginary sign. If the value, the sign of the imaginary number they are given positive, we change into the negative in the conjugate, and if it is given in the negative, then we are going to change it to the positive. So conjugate metric, a metric obtained from the metric A by replacing the element by their conjugate. By their conjugate means we are conjugate means we are changing the sign of the imaginary value here is said to be the conjugate metric X, and it is denoted by A bar. As you know very well that if we want to find out the conjugate, then it is always applicable on the complex number. This you already done in your +1 class, and we are changing the sign of a iota into minus a iota. In the same way we are changing when the elements of the metric with their conjugate, that is called the conjugate metric. Now the second type is Hermitian matrix. Hermitian metric. Now what is a Hermitian metric? If A theta is equal to A, then this is called the Hermitian metric. Now what is the theta? Theta is, first of all we have to take the conjugate of A metric, and then we have to take the transpose of the metric. Means suppose they are given one matrix A, first of all we will take the conjugate of the metric, then transpose of the metric. This is called the theta. If its value come is equal to A, then it is called the Hermitian matrix. Clear? Then third part is skew Hermitian matrix. Now what is a skew Hermitian matrix? When A theta is equal to minus A, it is same as skew metric. Clear? Skew Hermitian metric when A theta is equal to minus A means first of all we have to take the conjugate of A metric, then the transpose of the A metric, and if its value come is equal to minus A, then it is called the skew Hermitian matrix. Now the fourth type of the matrix is orthogonal matrix. Now what is orthogonal matrix? When A transpose into A, or A first then A transpose afterward, multiplication of these matrix is equal to I, means identity matrix, then this is called the orthogonal matrix. When I am going to multiply A matrix with their transpose, then its value come if equal to I, then it is called the orthogonal matrix. Clear? Now the next type is unitary matrix. Now what is a unitary matrix? Unitary matrix is when A theta into A is equal to I. A theta is into A is equal to I. What is the A theta? A theta means firstly the conjugate of the A matrix, then its transpose, afterward we will multiply with A matrix. If its value come is equal to I, means identity matrix of the same order, then we call it as unitary matrix. Clear? Next is nilpotent matrix. Now what is the nilpotent matrix? Nilpotent matrix means a matrix like this, means A matrix power m be any index value, means its value may be 1 2 3 4 5 4 6 whatever. If A power m is equal to O means null matrix, then it is called the nilpotent. Means suppose that if I am taking here m value 2, means it is A square is equal to 0, so I will going to multiply A 2 times, then the value will come if equal to 0, then it is the nilpotent matrix. And always remember that it is applicable on a square matrix. It is applicable on a square matrix. Clear? Now next type is idempotent matrix. Now what is this? This is when A square is equal to A, means if I am having a matrix A and I am going to multiply, find out the value of A square. If the value of the A square is equal to A, then it is the idempotent matrix. Next is involuntary matrix, involuntary matrix. Now what is the involuntary matrix? If a square is equal to I, if a square is equal to a, then it is a idempotent matrix. If in what is the involuntary matrix? Then a square is equal to I. So this is the involuntary matrix. These are the different types of the matrix. Now we will use the definition of these matrix in our numericals. First of all is Hermitian matrix, when a theta is equal to a. What is the a theta? A theta is a conjugate, then it's a transpose. Clear? Now next is the skews Hermitian matrix, when a theta is equal to minus a. Clear? And next is orthogonal matrix, when a transpose into a is equal to y. Next one is unitary matrix, when a theta into a is equal to I. Nilpotent, a power m is equal to null matrix. Idempotent, when a square is equal to a. And involuntary, when a square is equal to I. You have to understand and learn all the definition. Now we are going to use these definition into our numericals.